In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable toggle sneak in Minecraft. So this process is very easy. Sometimes you want to sneak for or shift for a long time, and if you need to hold the shift key, it's very annoying because it really hurts your finger if you hold it for too long. So I'm gonna show you how you can change this control so you can just press shift once and it will keep sneaking until you press the key again. So to do this, you need to go to the menu, then options, controls, and you will see sneak, hold, which is set by default. You can click here and it will change to toggle. Now, if I press shift, it will keep sneaking forever until I press the shift key again, and that's it. This way is more comfortable, in my opinion, if you need to sneak for a long time. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.